everybody, this is Montgomery, and we're back at this building, and I wanted to show you something that happened. Watch this. We're going to open this door, turn on the light, and look what happened. You see this? That's the door closer arm. It has come off this door closer body. As you can see, here's the body. It's, I believe someone said it was a tail. It broke. It broke. See? Watch. See? There's a better view of the arm. Let's try it. It needs a bolt in the arm. Assembly. So I'm gonna need a screw in the arm assembly. As you can see, it needs a screw up there. We're gonna try and fix it after this video, and we may, if we get it fixed, I will do another take and put it on to a movie. But anyways, that'll be it for now.